going to put an image on now, and the Moroccan sand dune is quite a nice one. There it is. It's a recent discovery of mine. I love collecting images that are mathematically interesting, and this is certainly one of them. And there it goes. So I want to fit a parabola to that. Why the heck is it a parabola? I don't know. Send the kids round to the geography teacher. He'll tell them. And of course he won't have a clue. So let's do, it's going to be x equals, isn't it? You wouldn't want this to be the first time they come across an x equals graph. Well, let's do x equals ky squared. I should have explained that constants are always 1 to start with, so what is x equals ky squared going to look like? Now, y equals x squared looks like this, so x equals y squared is going to be the other way around. You could use that for your morning exercises, actually. It'd be quite a good one. And there it goes. But personally, I think that's pedagogically wrong, because it's too quick. There's the answer. You haven't given them a chance to think about it. So may I introduce you to my friend the tortoise, or a turtle, I forget what you call it, but he's great, because what it means is that everything happens slowly. So I'm going to do, this is what should have happened, and I can put the brakes on now, and we can get the pen out and start talking about it. What does x equals y squared look like? Well, y is the independent variable this time, so that's why it's crawling up this axis, not crawling across this one. So we're saying, what's the value of y? Well, when y is negative 3, what happens when you square negative 3? Well, if you ask Excel, the answer is negative 9. All right? But actually, it's of course plus 9, so it's up here. And there are 1 or 2 points that we do know about for sure. That one, and that one, and on we go. So now we take the brakes off. Now I've now thought about it, and if they've contributed to these points, they have a sort of ownership of that space. And so they are well satisfied, I think, when the graph draws it to their expectations. If they haven't done that, I think it's just too quick and a wasted opportunity. So let's do a constant controller now. Now what do I want to do with k? Do I want to make it bigger or smaller? Again, always ask a question before you press a button. Very important. And so I'm going to reduce k a bit now, and down it goes to 0. So k is going to be negative. Is that what we expected? And look at that. Now it's not quite in the right place. I'll just shunt it round. Maybe we should have just gone a little bit the other way. But I'm lost for words, really. I mean, how the heck does the wind blow the sand just right? It's lovely.